Okay, so, down almost 400 points now, 383, 14,714 is where we are sort of trading at this point in time. News flash at the bottom of the screen. The Election Commission is going to hold a press conference at 4:30 later today, and it's going to announce the poll schedule for 5 states. That's what's likely to be announced. Of course, something which we will have to watch out for. I mean, important state elections coming up, including West Bengal. We'll come back to the story in a bit, but in our special segment, commodities trade, Manisha is here to tell us about commodity options trading. Manisha, good morning.
Commodity trading isn't riskier than investing in stocks, but since it takes more experience to trade in commodities, new investors might find it difficult to understand at the beginning. Conceptually, options on commodities are the same as options on stocks, indices, and currencies. Based on exercise, options can primarily be of 2 types. In American type, the buyer can choose to exercise the option at any time before the expiry of the option contract, while in European type, the buyer can choose to exercise the option only on the date of expiration of the contract. In India, we follow the European type of options. Like in case of any other option, commodity options also have call options, which is the right to buy, and put option, that is the right to sell. A call option on a commodity is bought by a trader who expected the price of the commodity to go up so as to cover the cost and the premium. The seller of the call option expects the price to top out and not go beyond a certain level so as to retain the entire premium as income. A trader buys a put option when he has negative view on the commodity. On the other hand, the seller of the put option expects the commodity price to bottom out and not go below a particular price point so that the entire premium becomes income. Commodity options are useful risk management tools, particularly for the small stakeholder, as the option buyer does not generally have to maintain margins. The cost is lesser than trading futures contract and the loss is limited to the premium. Let's take an example on how it is traded. Let us consider a gold call option of strike 5,000 rupees. When the spot price is 4,900, the premium on 16th of May for call option is 92 rupees. How would the payoff table look like for this call option? Maximum loss for the buyer for the call is rupees 92, which is the premium amount paid. Above the price of 5,000, the profits are limitless on this gold call option. However, the downside, irrespective of how low the prices of gold go, the loss for the buyer will be limited only to rupees 92. The above call option becomes in the money above rupees 5,000. Commodity options, where the prices or options rule get converted or devolve into futures contract prior to expiry, is one kind. And options of these kind are also called second level derivatives, as it is trading a derivative of a derivative. But then India also has introduced options on goods. Options on goods has distinctive features. The contract here is directly based on commodity rather than the commodity futures. You can keep your position open until the last day, and also cost here is comparatively lower. Commodity options are priced on the basis of demand and supply in the market. Some of the key determinants of the price of an option are spot price of the underlying asset, strike price, annualized volatility, time to expiration, and interest rates. Options on future spreads or even outright short calls and puts can be useful in any commodity market environment, though are definitely best option trading opportunities during times of extreme prices and volatility.
Well, on that note, we'll slip into a very short break. We'll come back and track the markets because the market sell-off has accelerated. It's down more than 400 points in the Nifty, with the Sensex approaching nearly a 1,500-point cut. Mitesh Thakkar will join in to talk about the market levels from here on and what your trading approach should be.